Pastor Tommie Harsley lists common mistakes that damage employee retention. It's no secret that businesses are constantly looking for ways to reduce employee turnover. After all, replacing employees is both costly and time-consuming. However, many businesses make common mistakes that actually damage employee retention. In today's video, Pastor Tommie Harsley takes a look at some of the most common mistakes and how to avoid them. Pastor Tommie Harsley's list of mistakes that negatively impact employee retention. According to Pastor Tommie Harsley, the following mistakes can hurt the employee retention of a business. 1. Not providing opportunities for growth. If your employees feel like they're stuck in a dead-end job, they're likely to start looking for greener pastures. To keep your best and brightest employees on board, you need to provide them with opportunities for growth. This can mean offering training and development programs, as well as giving them opportunities to take on more responsibility within the company. 2. Failing to recognize and reward good work. Another common mistake that can lead to employee turnover is failing to recognize and reward good work. When employees feel like their hard work is going unnoticed, they're less likely to be motivated to stay with the company. Make sure you take the time to acknowledge your employees' successes, both big and small. This will show them that their efforts are appreciated and valued. 3. Not offering competitive compensation. If you want to retain your top talent, you need to offer competitive compensation. Employees who feel like they're being underpaid are more likely to look for new job opportunities. To keep your employees happy and engaged, make sure you're offering salaries that are in line with the market rate. 4. Creating a toxic work environment. Another mistake that can lead to high employee turnover is creating a toxic work environment. If your employees don't feel like they're valued or respected, they're likely to start looking for a new job. To create a positive and productive work environment, make sure you're fostering a culture of respect and open communication. 5. Failing to communicate effectively. One of the most common mistakes that business owners make is failing to communicate effectively with their employees. When employees don't feel like they're in the loop, they're more likely to become disengaged and unhappy. Make sure you're keeping your employees informed about what's going on in the company and giving them the opportunity to provide feedback. 6. Not investing in employee development. Investing in employee development is one of the best ways to reduce turnover, as per Pastor Tommie Harsley, and keep your top talent on board. When you invest in training and development programs, you're showing your employees that you value their growth and development. This will help to create a more positive and engaged workforce. Pastor Tommie Harsley's concluding thoughts. Avoiding these mistakes that Pastor Tommie Harsley has highlighted can help create a positive work environment and ensure employees feel supported in their roles. By retaining your good employees, you can avoid the high costs associated with recruiting and training new hires. Thanks for watching.